Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so start off today. We are very well sold off. Very well sold off. Gap down pretty hard. Not looking the best. Everything's oversold though. So that tells you something right there. See smooth top of the morning. Appreciate the like, family. Let's see. Oh shoot, four likes. I only see one person on. My life be like, good morning. Sir Swing, top of the morning. Chuhu, good morning. Oh yeah, be sure to hit that like button. Like that like button. Twanda, good morning. Chase, good morning. Yeah, Spy. Is it still under 550? Alright, it's pretty darn close. Pretty darn close. It did hit that, yeah. Let's see. You selling Google at open or holding? So I All right, so this is where I'm looking at pleasure. So I am assuming that the options premiums are going to have a level of holding. I'm going to have to evaluate. I'm not going to sell out of Google. I'm not going to sell out of the AMD straight away just because I have more than a week for those. If I sell out of anything today, it'll be Meta, just because that and you didn't get Meta if you're not in the Discord, so you don't need to worry about that. But I did grab a Meta like towards the end of the day, and it was looking like I was good because it actually came up a little bit from when I bought it. But then yeah, we just gapped down huge today. So right now I'm waiting for the whole tariff thing to be announced, which is, we'll kind of have to wait a couple days, see where that goes. See how we respond to these levels, because for everything we are in a demand zone. And, my discipline is like, yo, don't come to the extent of the move when the stock market has pullbacks and like sell at the worst point possible. So it's like, even if I sell out today, it won't be here. So it's like I want to see like where we kind of like base out at. It kind of looks like oh wait, hold on, let me go to a 4 hour. It's like not so sure we based out here yet, but we'll just have to see. All right, let's see what else. Mahishu, good morning. RG Caesar, good morning. Google, yeah, Google, not looking good. That fell a lot more from the time we got in on that. Like I looked at Google here. We fell here. Google is oversold to like 20. But another way to think of it, this would be like, if I were on any time frame, this would be like, even if I didn't know anything, I would say this would be a safe spot to buy Google for some profit, to try to ride it to at least the 50 EMA. So, and that's based off the 4 hours. So assuming it doesn't just get pushed down to like, I don't know, like 5 or something, probably an okay spot. Or like, hopefully we don't just trade sideways and then continue to move down. That would probably be the worst case scenario, but I don't think we're going to just like drop like a rock from here. All right, let's see. Smash my like button and show, hey, good stuff, good stuff. Thizzle, good morning. D Scurve, good morning. Yeah, quite a gap down. I wish I could have foreseen this. Yeah, definitely a good time to buy some stocks. I have to drop some money in, get some stocks, get some shares. Of course, still averaging down on some things. I think I want to like start like getting a little bit of Nike every day too. I'm liking Nike. I'm starting to like I find myself starting to like the brand more too. Again. Let's see. Average down on Google. I'm not gonna average down on Google if I'm being real. But I mean, there could be opportunity there because like with the QBTS I was in, I would have done a lot better had I averaged down, and I didn't average down on it. Hold on. Did I have like something on Apple? Let me see. I feel like I had a trade that I wasn't like. Oh, never mind. Nah, I made that up. All right, let's see. LMAO, good morning. Josh, good morning. This isn't looking good for the market. Hey, well, when we go to what I've been saying, like, oh wait, on the wrong chart, wrong chart. When we go, like, if we look back at what I'm saying, like when we look at the weekly or just kind of look at things, I said like I can see us pulling back. Like the pullback is healthy, and it's like honestly, I could see us pulling back as low as like 505 on the year. I would say anything below that, yo, that's kind of scary. But no, we're still doing all right. We still haven't. Wait, we're at like 550. Hold up. Yeah, I would say anything down to like 535. There's not like crazy concern. I could see us pulling to 530. Honestly, 505. That would be probably the scariest I could see again this year. But it's like it made sense for us to pull back. I just didn't expect it to be this fast. That's the only thing. Selling off a little bit to start today. Let's see. Yoko, good morning. TSM is at 6. Yeah, I got an alert. I got an alert on them on Friday here. Let's see. I won't. No, let's swap out NVIDIA. Let's take a look at TSM. I definitely got an alert on TSM, and I was like, did I just? Okay. Yeah, I think I got an alert when they like broke 168 because there's this demand zone here. I'm not sure if I just moved it to this 155 level on Friday or if I had this level here too. But I think there was something I was like, yo, if we come to this level, I'm going to get a quick call or something. I'm not sure, but I have this level here. Kareem, good morning. I'm liking NVIDIA at this price and under. So I was saying like with NVIDIA, like people were asking me where I saw it coming to on Friday, I think even Thursday, and I was saying like I wouldn't get it till at least 107 because I was looking at this last demand zone over here. It starts around like 107 and the bottom's going to be over here at about 147. So honestly, it's like it's possible it can, like if it's going to respect this, it could come just a little bit lower, and then you would have some kind of run, ideally maybe up to like either 113 or maybe this like 110, this EMA over here, ideally. Pre-market, of course. Aaron, morning fam, been out last few days. Now we looking at puts. So honestly, the puts were the move for the weekend, but I don't think that they're just gonna. I don't think they're gonna make it that easy. They very well could, and I have like these ranges here. Like if we break kind of the support this morning, if we break it with strength, yeah, puts are the move. But if you don't break the support, I would not go for puts. But yeah, puts can be the move. It's just we don't know yet. One thing's for sure, options are going to be a lot more expensive today. We got the VIX. The VIX has gone up. If we look up here, the VIX gapped up from 2170 up to 24 like 08 right now. So that's just showing that options are going to be more expensive. So be aware of that. Let's see. Elevator going down, stairs going 100%. That's how it is. That is how it is with these stocks in the stock market, man. Hey, Big Reg, Grand Rising, Azure, good morning. Jay Folks, what's up, family? Hey, certainly not the can't talk right now. Certainly not the stock market. That's for sure. Selling my weekend put ASAP on Tesla. Oh yeah, Tesla had a decent drop, didn't they? Let's see. Dang. Ooh, Meta. This is looking very, very bearish on Meta right here. Yeah, that's not looking good. Here, let's Tesla. Did they get? Oh yeah, yeah. That's a nice little swing on Tesla. Nice little swing. What's the PCE ratio? So we won't get an update on the PCE ratio until the market has been open for 15 minutes. So as of right now, the PCE is showing 0.89, but we don't really get an update on it until like 15 minutes into the market. So we don't know what it is. Brandon Wright, good morning, good morning. All right, so we got the market open. Fear and greed at 22. Hey, yeah, I'll say it lines up. Very much so lines up. We can see that. All right, so yeah, let's see what we do here. Honestly, I'm gonna say it's probably a good idea to wait the first hour. I think we have some data here real quick. I don't think it's big data, but we got Chicago PMI first 15 minutes. So, patience. Honestly, if you see anything you like for the long term, like if you see any stocks at any attractive levels, hey, don't hesitate to. I wouldn't go all in, but don't hesitate to like just scoop up a little bit. It's a good time for it. Like I said, I like. You said I said Nike is looking a little bit more attractive to me. I'm not gonna go crazy or anything, but I might pick up a share of Nike. Let's see what's popping with that. Now I'll go. Oh, hold up. Oh, I was in the wrong account. I was like, why? Here, let's see. Where we at? Oh, it's already kind of pushed up. Should have bought it. Well, it hadn't pushed up too crazy. I'm gonna just get $5 for now. All right. But yeah, we're okay. So selling off on the Qs. Meta push it. Oh, here I need to adjust the support and resistance on Meta as well. All right. Oh, why's my phone popping off? Oh, those are okay. So we're already kind of testing these levels. All right, let's see. Oh, hold up. I need to look at the options prices real quick. All right, so Meta. Dang, still gonna wait a little bit, but yeah, I'm probably gonna have to close out a Meta today. Let me go down to like a 15 on Meta. Wait like the first 15 minutes before I do anything. I know they usually like to go crazy to start out the day. All right, let's see. Made a paper trade Palantir put for $83 when the price was 85. Hey, it's a nice paper trade. All right, Q's pushing to the downside. Yeah, it's like we're trying to. Nah, yeah, I'm probably just gonna have to. They're trying to destroy Meta. I would rather keep the money that's there, so I'm gonna just close that out. Yeah, took the L. So I am out at Meta on at 117 per share. Let me yeah, unfortunately didn't get enough time on that one. All right, everyone took a loss on Meta, did not grab enough time, sold out at 117 per share. Definitely feeling it right now. There we go. Did I take a screenshot? There we go. All right, yeah, Meta. Ooh, not looking so hot. Not looking so hot. Okay. The Q's is kind of, yo, let me go to a 15. Hopefully this is just liquidity, but this doesn't look good. Spies holding. Spies holding all right for now. But what, we're like 5 minutes in? This is, yo. Oh, I forgot I need to move the levels on Google too. Just so I can have that visual. Here, let me go. I'm gonna come down to a 15-minute. Yo, I gotta sneeze. I think Google's still holding up kind of all right now. Meta, ooh, Meta is getting spanked. What's the other one? AMD. AMD is holding up okay for the morning. I'm not. Yeah, once again, I'm not as worried about Google and AMD right now, because I think we still have plenty of time for like to recover. I want to pop up Derive AI, see if they got anything interesting on there either or as well. Have I taken it? Yeah, SoFi was trading around 11:30 last I looked. All right, Google's doing all right. Google's doing all right. So yeah, taking a look at SoFi though, it's like it's in a demand zone. I just I don't know. Right now, I'm still picking up shares, and it's like ultimately, like for me to like play that move back to the upside on SoFi, I'm waiting on like this $9 or this $8 level. Or really, I'm not. I think I just play with SoFi with shares if I'm being honest. Wait. You said, do you think there's a double top on Nvidia? You gotta say what time frame, cause yeah, there's all sorts of time frames. I mean, you got like something close to it there, but if you really zoom out, it's more like it's a downtrend. So you have to say what time frame you're looking at, but on the daily chart, I don't necessarily see a double top or anything. Well, you could say that on Nvidia on a daily, but it's I don't know. It's like either way, no matter what way you see it, it's like it kind of points to it going down. So yeah, you could have said, hey, this was a double top over here, but it's like it's kind of at the completion of the double top. So I'm not sure. Like it doesn't really make a difference what it was now. But yeah, you could say it was. Here, let's see. All right, so Google it's still holding up. It's still holding up. All right, let's see. For now. All right, let's. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Big L. Hey, don't count yourself out. Don't count yourself out. Especially not this early. It was like we don't know what today has in store. We don't know if something like super obvious is gonna happen. We don't know if we're gonna get some kind of crazy news. I'll admit all of it is like, hey, we're on these really high hopes, but just hey, don't lose hope. It's like if anything, it's like, we got the opportunity to pick up some really good shares for really, really cheap. It's like we know wealth is not, or if you don't know, wealth is built up, is what's built up over a long term, what's here to stay over the long term. It's like you can make quick money here and there, like doing all this trading and stuff, but it's really going to be the money that you invest into like shares and like your assets that are really doing it. What do you think about an Amazon put? I think it probably would have looked a lot better had you got on like Thursday or Friday, but here that's like honestly, like if I'm still like a fan of waiting until like at least the first 15 minutes of the market are closed. But I would imagine it's kind of already broken its support. Where's Amazon? Yeah, so it looks like it kind of already broke its support. So it's like, yeah, you could probably make some money with the put. It just really depends on like how far do you think it's going to go. Like right here, I have this being a demand zone. So it's like if it goes to the bottom, that's like 184. There's some liquidity around this like 183.65 area. And then below that, I would say supports 180. So it really just depends like how bad do you think today's going to get. Black and Wild, good morning. I'm running good on 470. Oh, yeah, I'm sure you are running amazing on that put. Hey, good stuff, RJ. Black and Wild, good morning. Yeah, it's kind of wild. It's kind of wild. Hey, what's going on right now? This is history. History in the making. You're here for it. Hey, you're live. You're on stream. These messages y'all are sending in the chat, they will be here forever, or unless like YouTube's like, we're going to delete this live stream, but they'll be here forever. So if you truly wanted, and you wanted to go back to a day in history and see what was going on, like you can come back to this live stream and say, I made this comment at this time. I had this thought as history is being made. Like, we'll look back. It's like, oh, dang, and I guess, is this like a trade war because of like the tariffs and everything? It's like, oh, this is what I was doing during the trade war. Similar to how you can look back and say, oh, this is what I was doing during COVID. All right, so we got about like 2.5 minutes till we're kind of through those first 15 minutes. I would say Apple, like I'm looking at Apple on the side over here. They're holding up surprisingly well. Apple looks like it's about to go green. Yeah, Apple is green. What is up with Apple? Apple is always, wait, hold up. Apple's always on something else, man. All right, let's see. Alani, good morning. Can't wait for SoFi to pop back up to 18. Oh yeah, that'd be nice. Let me get like a cheap call before it happens. Yeah, tell me a day before it happens, and I'll pay $25 for a call with like a week of time, and yeah, let it run to 18. Ooh, 70% red. Bro, what's up with Apple? How's Apple just holding like that? All right. Yo, this candle closes in 1 minute. We got a minute on this candle. Honestly, wait, hold up. Oh, let me check my options. Let me see how this is affecting the options trades I'm in. Let's see, Google. Dang, I'm down like 55% on Google. We can go back up to a 4 hour. Let me look on a weekly actually. Yeah, y'all, honestly, like being honest and like just wait, hold up. Still gotta give Google some time. I don't know how I feel about it. It's almost give it another 15 minutes. Oh, I said I was gonna pull up Derive. Let me pull up Derive real quick. See if they have any like news or anything. Okay, so all right, let's see. Okay. Wait, hold up. Hey Google, this candle on Google's blue. Let's see if we can get any life from this. All right, let's see. Apple selling off now. Oh no. Nah, I need Apple to stay green. I need something to like lift us up, lift my spirits. Let's see. Daily. Okay, I got you, K man. Are you not placing any trades today? So I closed one. Honestly, I'm gonna say I'm probably gonna be pretty light on my trades, aside from like what I'm holding until till like Wednesday after we figure what's up with the tariffs. Cause if especially like if you're looking for a day trade from me, I'm gonna say the odds are immensely low right now. Oh no, yeah, they're trying to sell it off more. And the reason The reason I would say the odds are low is just because of the shares. Like the oh dang, the PCE is at 1.04. I'm a hold my calls. I'm gonna hold my calls because I got time on them, and yeah, just seeing that PCE is over one. Yeah, we're gonna get bought up. Maybe not today. Maybe today. Let's pull the PC up over here. All right, let's watch this on the day. All right, so yeah, we had closed out over here at what is it, 89, gapped up to 1.05. Here, let's see what happened last time this happened because it already happened once this year. All right, so over here this day, so we gapped up to like what is it, 1.03. Went as high as 1.08, sold off, closed the day off at 0.86. And then the next day we gapped down even more. So yeah, I'll kind of use that as something to look out for. So, but yeah, that makes me feel a lot better about like what I'm holding. Yeah, because we are at an extreme. Everything is in the oversold territory. But yeah, for a second there, it looked like it was just everything was just going to keep falling. But sometimes you just got to wait. Dang, Meta's already in a better place than it was. But I didn't have enough time on it, so I wasn't trying to play that game. Nicole, good morning. You think KDLY? I'm going to say no, just assuming. Just because I don't know anything about it. Oh yeah, healthcare. I would. That's gonna kind of depend on like if you know something, if there is some level of research that you know that is kind of putting this on your forefront. That's cool. Like this is something. Maybe grab a couple hundred shares of and see what happens. If you know something, if you have some reason to. But for me, I don't know anything about it, and so for me, it would be a no. But also, it's low risk. So, or when I say low risk, I mean like depending on how much you put in. If you got like a couple hundred, I consider that low risk. But you gotta realize those shares could also go to zero. So, as long as you're cool with it, yeah, it can be. Hope is in the King of Kings, Lord of Lords, Prince of Peace. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Prince of Life, Jesus Christ. Lurking on a Monday gets you to El Salvador, 84. Oh, that's a lot of lurker non-likers. Yo, yeah, nobody, I don't think anyone here wants to go to CCOT. Yeah, that's the prison right there, CCOT. Oh, I see we actually just brought it down a little bit. Okay. Maybe we are trying to go. I don't know. We'll see. Derek, good morning. Here to press the like. Hey, good stuff. About to pump. I'm in. Apple calls. Stop loss set from last. You got Apple calls. Oh, dang. Amazon gone through all my support. So you posted at 8:43. I'm pretty sure I went through the stuff on Amazon. Let me know if you weren't here when I did, but I kind of went through the levels on Amazon. Let's see. Bruno, good morning. All right, S&P falls to lowest since September. NASDAQ drops 2.5 as sell-off intensifies before tariff rollout. All right, let's see. Imagine going to El Salvador while history is made. Oh, no, yeah, nah. Hey, imagine being in El Salvador and not being aware that history is being made. That's even crazier. Bro, the craziest thing I saw whenever the whole El Salvador, when I watched that, like, I guess it was a documentary on YouTube. Craziest thing I saw is like a lot of the times, like when they go in there, some of them, like, I don't know, they have like kind of names in their gangs or whatever, or also some of them they don't do their real names, so I don't know. It's like nobody is told that they're in there, so like those people's families and whatnot, they don't even know they're in there. They don't know where they are, and like they're there. They don't get any visitation at all, and like they said for a lot of people, if they see this documentary, that would be the way that they found out that their family is there. But even if they knew their family was there, they couldn't do anything, and that's wild to me. So it's like, yo, you go to CCOT in El Salvador, yo, you just don't exist anymore. That's the wildest thing to me. All right, let's see. All right, little bit of buying pressure. Apple has chilled out on the buying, but hey, a little bit of buying pressure in the market. Slight bit. We'll see how the day ends. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. So market beat says Google closes secret $20 billion bill with Apple to. I thought they already were, but hey, I'm here for it. Hey, oh yeah, Google, yeah. Send it up, Google. Yeah, Google's chart looks bullish. Let's what was the other one how's AMD looking? Yeah, Google, hey, that might. Oh no, I didn't see anything, but hey, that candle on Google. Or this is a 15-minute chart. I don't know why I thought I was on the 4 hour. I was like that candle was looking good, but yeah, I forget. We're on the lower time frame. It's still cool though. It's cool. All right, let's see. I put some early puts this morning on SPY and Nvidia. I hope you're doing well on them. I hope you got them at a good price, because the premiums on options right now are crazy. All right, SPY's back at 550. Trying to hold up that 550 level. Let's see. Yeah, this candle on Google and this candle on Qs they're bullish candles. Let's see. All right. QQQ has stalled, but I got out with a decent profit. Hey, good stuff. Carlos, good morning. What are the benefits to having 100 shares of stock? So first off, you can sell calls on them. So yeah, you can sell premium. So for instance, say you bought AMD at like $100, and now you're up here at 115, and you're like, oh, it's probably going to reverse. And I own them for $100. So it's like, I would be cool selling them at 115, but also I want to keep them, and also I would like to get more. So say you're up here and you sell a $115 call on AMD. You have 100 shares, so instead of buying it, you get the money that the person is paying to buy the contract. So say it's at $500, you make $500. If it ends up closing above 115, you just sell them your shares for 115. On top of that, you have the $500. So right there, you already made the profit from the upward movement as well as the price of the contract. And if it comes down, then you just get to keep all the money from the contract. So that's something you can do whenever you own 100 shares. Also, when your portfolio gets to a certain size, you can also take loans out against your shares and positions and whatnot. And then also like if you want to let the like whatever brokerage you're using invest out your shares or loan out your shares, you can make money on your shares too. That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how many shares you have, but that's something as well. But I think the best thing is that you're able to sell options on them. That's the first thing done. Carlos, I'm not sure if I said good morning, but good morning. Hold up. Okay. Says sorry, missed Amazon. Wow, you just read that, but I thought I missed you. But yeah, bought Apple. Okay. What do I think about a put on Walmart? I don't really follow Walmart like that, but let's see. I would be I don't think it's a good idea in my opinion. I mean, possibly, but I don't think so. Like maybe if they come up to this I don't know, like 187 or so, but right now they are breaking a trend line which might end up like not being a fake out. So yeah, I personally don't love it, but I'll say anywhere from this 87.50 to 88 potential little short. Coming back up to this 91.28, maybe larger, but I don't love the idea. Okay, let's see. AT&T from the 1 hour of AT&T. Let's see. So I mean, it's in an uptrend. It's not one that I like to trade, but it's in an uptrend and it's doing well. It's not at all time highs. Okay, I was about to say. All right, so looking on the weekly. This doesn't move quite like the. Wait, hold up. Actually, yeah, looking on the weekly, it's actually in a supply zone. So it might be due for a pullback here pretty soon, but I think if it gets to 29, it'll sell off, but it's definitely had a good trend. Oh man, look at Meta. Hold on, let me pull up Meta. Wait, I bought in like oh okay. I was thinking like I know I bought in with Meta at like 575. I was thinking it was already like back there. I was like, man. But okay, we're chilling, we're chilling. Keith, good morning, good morning. Buddha Dev, good morning. I have a 950 call on Costco. Is that the one you were talking about on Friday? I feel the same way I did on Friday. Like I didn't feel too crazy about it. And you said it expires this Friday? Oh no, that's like 2 weeks. At least you gave yourself a little bit of time. Depending on where you got out, I think you'll have the opportunity to take profit. But beyond that, I don't have anything to really say. Because I personally see a gap down to, or a gap that needs to be filled to like 909, 910. So that my eyes are drawn to that. And like I see like resistance, like the highest kind of level I see like nearer is going to be like this 42.24. So I think it just depends on when you decide to get in and out of that. Okay. I think if Amazon retests 190, then look for confirmation of it breaking 189. Then I may take a put. Here, let's see. Hey, well, hey, Matthew, it looks like hey, you've gotten your pullbacks. Like I like the way you're thinking. I can't see the chart right now, but I like the way you're thinking because, yo, the market has pullbacks. So yeah, that's ideally how you would want to do it. It sounds like yeah, seems I would say seems solid. So yeah, that's like I guess a pullback to I guess kind of where it gapped from or pretty close. How do you think this buy will play out today? Honestly, I don't know. I feel like we put in the low for the day personally. It's personally my thought. I'm not sure if we'll get higher than this pre-market high, but I think we've put in the low for today. All right, let's see. Not in anything now, looking for the week to make it happen. Oh yeah, go on. Hey, go on. Take your time. No rush to get anything. Christine, good morning. Caribbean vibes, good morning. Julie, morning all. Orb, doing well so far. Okay, I saw something. I saw somebody saying something about. I've seen y'all like I've seen a number of people talk comment on my channel about Orb, and I saw like a trader that I am following on Instagram say something about Orb, but I still don't like fully know what it is because I think they were low key just I saw like support and resistance and like the zone said Orb, but I still don't know what that is. So hey, just sharing my thoughts. Still something that needs to be looked into. Not necessarily anything I'm gonna start doing, but I still would like to know about it. Thinking about SoFi puts pin bar into action. What time frame are you looking at? Yeah, I'll say it depends on the time frame. Right now, SoFi is it's very oversold. But yeah, just kind of how things are. It's like the oversold can become more oversold. Oh, hold up. That's one I want to look at real quick. How's Hems doing this morning? Oh wait, still, still didn't come to my level, but yo, Hems, yo, they're looking very attractive. Yo, hold up. I might let me go. Let me give me a small like get like a share or something of Hems. Let's see. Do I have any Hems? A little bit. I'll just get like $10. Nothing crazy, just to have in my portfolio, so I can watch it a little closer. All right, Apple is holding for some reason. Do you see what? No, not at all. Apple does whatever it wants. Like if we pay attention to like if we go back and watch my live streams, every comment I've said about Apple over the last couple of weeks, Apple's movement has made no sense. And it's kind of moved at its own pace, moved in its own kind of whatever. It'll have some bad news and it'll do good. It'll get some good news. It'll do bad. Apple, I don't know. It just doesn't make sense. I think 470 or 547 is the new bottom on the SPY. Good morning, Nunat. AXCZ. What positions you have right now on anything? I have a call on Google. I have a call on AMD. I think that's it. Let me pull them up here on Robinhood real quick. I know they're down. Let's see. So yeah, I got this call. Yeah, pretty down on it. Down like 52% on it. Let's see. Where's the other one? Did I add I don't think I added the AMD. Or maybe it's because I have more time. Let's see. Let me get rid of that. Don't have those. What is this Amazon put from? Do I have this somewhere? I don't think so. All right. Yeah, we'll leave that alone for now. All right. Yeah. Hey, looking better with this candle. Looking better. All right. Let's see. I'm on vacation and need something I can hold for a couple days, not having to bird dog the move. So that's kind of what I'm doing with that was my intention with Google and the AMD. AMD, I was expecting to take a week, so it's like, and I'm down on it. Like AMD is still, it's still like solid to me. It's still okay. So we'll have to see. Like Google and AMD weren't supposed to be like immediate trades, but I don't know. It's like this. Like I the trades I took on AMD and the trade I took on Google, they're the same way I used to trade whenever I was in Europe, traveling and trading. So I didn't have to. I didn't really just sit out front of sit at my computer all day. I think it's opening range break. Opening range break. It's just taking the opening range of the market as support and resistance. Particular time frame. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, okay. Bro. All right, I'm starting to be, people taking all these I don't know, taking everything and kind of abbreviating it and then just making it like trying to normalize it like it's been a thing, like the term. It'd be throwing me off a lot cuz it's like opening range break. Everyone's like, "Oh." I'm like, "Yo, why are people talking about this orb strategy?" I thought it was like an indicator. I'm like, "Yo, I don't like indicators." But it's like, no, I do that too sometimes. Okay. Yeah, okay. It's like I just didn't know this the terminology is changing, and now I guess I'm starting to get old. I'm not getting old. I'm not getting old. It's just people are I'm not learning at the pace, or I'm not like whoever's coming up with these terms are they're trying to date me. I guess I just need to keep learning, or just keep up with the terms, really, because it's like, all right, do something. Amazon put from Derived last week. Oh, hold up. Let me look. Did I add it to my opportunities? I don't think I added it to my opportunities, but okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I do remember. Like, I do vaguely remember adding the put and saying like, "Yo, I'm not going to get it, but I'm going to watch list it." Let me look at that. Let me look at it one more time. Oh, did I delete it? Dang. Oh well. Oh well. Yeah, I saw the put was up pretty good though. If SPY holds here, it's going to rally. That's what I would expect. I don't necessarily expect it to rally today though. That's my thing. But I expect it to hold this level. And then I'm like also like uncertain. Like today is the last day of March too. You know they like to keep it kind of funky on the last day of the a month. So it's like today could be big or they could just not move it. I don't know. It's like it's gonna be a weird day. Yeah, let me go back up to the 4 hour. All right, let's see. Okay, sound like I might make the same move. Held on to that Amazon 200 put from Derive. Dang. Hey, Derive, hey, they be doing their thing sometimes. I don't take all the trades. But honestly, the ones I've been taking, they've been doing kind of well too. They've been doing kind of well too. Like this AMD trade I got, it's I grabbed a different strike. I grabbed a strike closer to the money and then also yeah, it's I grabbed one closer to the money, so variate like when it comes to like the variance or whatever. I think the other trade here I might have it to my opportunities. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, so I still have I have it. It's not expected. It's a position trade, so it wasn't supposed to happen right away. Let me look at their targets. Let me see what the stop loss was. I want to go find that contract, see how it's doing. So AMD, where is it? April 17th. What was it? It was like a 112. Nah, I technically hit stop loss. But I think the analysis was there. All right, let's see. What's your actual strategy? So supply, it's a combination of using supply and demand. Like I would say it's predominantly supply and demand mixed with like trend line breaks. And it's like I'll kind of look at the actually I'm gonna say my strategy is just it's supply and demand and I use trend lines as well as RSI to kind of give me confidence in different supply and demand zones. And then sometimes with day trades, I'll do like support and resistance, but basically just supply and demand. AMD equals advanced money destroyer. I see that a lot. But hey, it's only the advanced money destroyer until it stops destroying the money. I think like the actual company is doing well. The stock's doing garbage, but company wise, it's like if you look at the kind of what it was outputting when it was up at $200, it was just overvalued. And it's like it's gotten like it's gotten progressively better. Like his numbers have gotten progressively better since. Opinion on Apple resistance. So I believe I actually have that charted. Let's see. Hold up. What's going on with Shop? What happened? Why is Shop not on my list? Did they like hold up? Did they switch? Like I don't know. But you said opinion on Apple resistance. I think it's going to depend, but I would say about 220. Did you make calls on the AMD and Google? Yeah, I made calls on. Yeah, I made calls on them both. But Google, like, kind of looking at where, wait, because I was trying to. I made the play on Google. I think kind of based somewhere in here. I don't even know where, but actually from this 150.31 down to 147, that's actually the next like demand zone that I actually saw. So I don't even know what I was looking at when I took my entry, because I think I entered around like 156. Must have been like a higher time frame or something. QUBT climbing. It's up like 4%. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's the one that's doing well today. Question for you: a lot of traders aim for 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 risk reward ratio on their trades. What stocks and setups do you typically use in options that are realistic to hit this? Well, usually I like to see a 1-to-3, but or that's usually where I like love it, but honestly, I'm going to say predominantly it's going to be in the Magnificent Seven stocks. So realistically, the stocks that I will do this on, so it's not Mag 7, but it'll happen for SPY, QQQ, Google. I haven't, like the AMD is, I wouldn't say I do it as frequently with, but there was a point in time it was like frequent with AMD. Sometimes it'll work with Apple when they want to cooperate. Tesla is a good one. Tesla and Nvidia, they're good for it. Meta, sometimes good with it. So honestly, I would say it's usually between those and Amazon. So yeah, and Palantir sometimes. But yeah, I would say the ones I do the most would probably be Tesla, Apple. I would say I do it the most with Tesla and Apple. Amazon, there's good money with Amazon too, but they're not going to be ones that you see it for every day. It's usually like once every 2 weeks or so. Keeping my money in my pocket today, hey, not a bad idea, family. Not a bad idea. Definitely had to pull my money out of that Meta. I'm glad I did, even though it's higher now, but I'm glad I did. Clarence, hey, hello. What's up, Clarence? I know you eat HB the 4 hour, but what time frame do you enter, if that makes sense? Oh, so most of the time I'll enter on, it's like, I don't know, I'll enter on the 4 hour too. It really just depends on how picky I want to be. Like a lot of times, like now I'll be looking at the 4 hour chart when I enter, but sometimes I try to get surgical with it. I don't think it makes a real difference. But sometimes I'll even go down as low as like the 2 to take an entry. I don't think it makes a difference though. Cause like if it's something that I'm gonna see on the 2, sometimes it's like, I don't know, like say there's a trend line, for instance. There have been days that we've done it on stream where it's like, oh, we're up here, like say, I don't know, here, let me draw it. So I don't know, say I was in this trade on Meta was trading down here doing something like this and it was down here. And then like it comes up here to the trend line and then it kind of like comes out, but it's been respecting the trend line. And I'm like, oh yeah, I'm watching this on a 4 hour candle and it looks like super bullish at the time. I'm like, oh, that's probably going to come down. So like based off that, I'll like grab a short and I'll just be looking at the 4 hour candle. So most of the time I'm looking at the 4 hour, because if I look at a time frame too small, then I'll fall for the trick, because they'll move the market all sorts of ways on the lower time frames. Like we see this candle is like super bullish on Apple right now. And honestly, it's very well possible it could remain bullish, but it's also very well possible that this ends up being a big wick and it ends up being a big black candle. When's Trump speaking? I don't know if him speaking today. Is he? I know there's the tariff thing. Yeah, I don't see anything today. I don't see anything tomorrow. Hold up. But I know the whole tariff thing is supposed to be kind of set on Wednesday. But I don't know about Trump himself, like specifically having a specific speaking time. Watching my DKNG. Is there any reason for DKNG to be moving? Are y'all watching DKNG because of March Madness? DKNG. I don't know. So like on the 4 hour, it's like extra oversold. But like when I look on the weekly, it's like, yo, it looks like it definitely could sell some more. But I don't even see like a demand zone or anything where it's at. It's kind of like in a weird gray area. But there is some liquidity. Like if it comes down to like 31.18 or so, there's like a lot of strong buying pressure in that area. But other than that, there is nothing for me to really say about DraftKings. All right, sitting on my hands today. Smart thing, mommy. Smart thing to do. Honestly, I'm a little annoyed that I swung over the weekend, but I also still feel like I'm going to be all right. It's just now I have to wait a little bit longer to be all right on those. Tesla put was easy load up last week. I need it to continue to drill. No, yeah, that'll be good. I feel like I had some Tesla puts. I think I closed them out too soon. I bought 85 TSLZ shares at 350. It's doing very nice. Oh, nice. Also announced Tesla, what was it? Investing funds and trade options. Interesting. Got a 546 put at 550 and sold at way too early as it continued to drop. No, yeah, definitely way better than a loss. I think we are finally getting closer to the real bottom. Still think we have time. QQQ is getting dunked on, and I think it'll go lower. Well, yeah, we're like anytime we move down, we're getting closer to the bottom for sure. Like I can see My first areas, I think SPY will come back to the 530s. I'm not sure if it will happen this week, but I think it'll come back to the 530s. I would say like my kind of like worst on the SPY for the year might be like around 505, 500. But like ideally, our pullback maybe touches 530 and then we're back off. Looking at the cues, let's see. So 445, and then the 530 I was saying on the SPY is around like 520 on the cues. And that'd be a little below 400. That was the 505 I was talking about on the SPY. All right, let's see. I'm new at your platform. Hey, Clarence. Hey, happy to have you, family. Just so you know, this platform on the screen, this is actually what is referred to as TradingView. Yo, hold up. I need some hydration. All right. Oh, he speaks at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time? Okay. All right. You say, yes, March Madness is a factor on DraftKings. Yeah, that's the only thing. You said he will. Who's calling me? Oh, hold on, y'all. I'm going to have to mute this. Give me a moment. Still here, family. Just want to let y'all know I'm on a business call. Give me like 3 minutes. All right, family, we're back. Hey, looking a little bit better. Yo, look at Apple. Apple's up $1 on the day. Hey, go Apple. All right, let's see. Okay. Trump is going live 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Signing more executive orders. I just watched the chart, not good with interpreting news or fundamentals, so you look at the volume. Tesla production output comes out on Wednesday. I never know what days those are. I feel like Tesla is, I don't know, like the car automotive side of it not doing so high. I had a friend from when I was living in Colorado. He works at the Tesla store. Yo, they were like out front. They were like they were out front what is it? Oh, protesting and stuff. I'm like, yo, come on now. And y'all know I drive a Tesla. I'm over here like always like I'm luckily I have a garage, but I'm always like, oh dang. I mean, first off, we're in Texas, so I feel like we have to worry less about people tripping and like being crazy like that. But it's like, oh dang, yeah. I might. There is a possibility somebody might come at me just because I have a Tesla, but also there's like 1,000 other Teslas, so we chilling. Let's see. What do you think is a good call for Apple? I wouldn't necessarily go for a call on Apple. It's like it would have been all right to have one, but it's like at 2:15. But I wouldn't necessarily go for a call on Apple. There's like nothing pushing me to go towards a call, so I don't know. It's like if you, I would probably say the one with the most time when it comes to a good call on Apple. What application am I using? So this is called TradingView. Yeah, if you just go to it's tradingview.com. I have a couple tutorials on my channel. Like if you ever find yourself struggling with how to set it up. Curious to see where Nvidia goes. Let's see where Nvidia is. Here, let's see. So I would say ideally everything comes up, at least maybe not today, but everything comes up to like fill in the gap. So let's see. Okay, let's see. D-Scurve here. Market is about to go up. Matthew is talking to the market makers. Oh yeah, that's exactly what was going on. Exactly what was going on. Let's see. Stay safe. Matthew, my parents have a Tesla and want to sell it just because of the way people are acting. Hey, I think it might be a good time to buy it. It's a good time to buy a Tesla. If depending on where you live, like honestly, I would say like if you are in a state that is considered, I'm not saying anything about any specific parties, but like, or maybe here if depending on how free spirited the area that you live in is, you might wanna let your Tesla go, or you might wanna if you have multiple cars, drive something else, keep it in a garage or I don't know, something. But also like a lot of people are doing stuff to Teslas and they forget that there are cameras like pretty much 360 degrees around the vehicle, and it's like, yo, those, like, if you do anything to it, it's like I have it on video. Tesla sales have really declined. Yeah, yeah, they really have. And I really want it to affect the stock price. Like, I hope they are able to short the price of Tesla down and hurt Elon's pockets. I think Elon will be chilling regardless. But yeah, I hope they do it so I can grab some more at some good prices. Like, I want them to push it back down. Like, shoot, let them push it to $100. Let me buy some more. I'll take it. Janae, good morning. Coming in late today. Hey, better late than never. But honestly, probably better late today anyway. But I think I'm sitting out and we'll practice. Hey, love. Hey, you got a great head on your shoulders, honestly. Let's see. Used 3/4 of my day trades last week, so hey, yeah, honestly, hey, glad you stopped by though, for sure. Glad to have you here. Always good to get some mental reps in. There's stats that show like the athletes that visualize do a lot better anyway. So yo, this might be your sport right here. These curve, we need your pull. Yeah, yes we do. Or it doesn't need to be my pull, but yes, we need some pull, 100%. Or push it up. Yes, a girl in Colorado was caught on camera a couple days keying a Cybertruck. Yeah, and that's that. I gotta say, I love Colorado, like nature wise, but yeah, I know, like, if I were there right now, like politically, yo, honestly, I'm thinking of like some of my friends out there. Wow, some of them that were all happy when they got their Teslas, their Model Ys, and like how big a deal it was. I wonder how they're doing right now, because they would be a little bit more free spirited. So I wonder. You don't have to have a Tesla. Oh yes, people definitely wild, and people are looking for something wild about. Like, oh, I don't even know what. Like, I don't know. Like, it's like people will wild at you for being in shape. People will wild at you for, like, I don't know, people, like, I've seen people like get upset or say it's like bad for other people that I go to the gym. And I don't know, I was like, that doesn't make sense. That's wild into me. And people get aggressive about stuff like that. I'm not gonna lie, the new Model Y looks, yeah. The new Model Y does look nice. Honestly, I think, well, the other Model Y, I would say the Model 3 looks good. The Model Y is like it's like, why'd you do that to the Model 3? They just kind of like whatever. But yeah, the new Model Y, yeah, it looks solid. They just put on Amazon. Here, let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, hold up, I'm on the wrong thing. Okay. Why is it like the only thing I see? They changed it. Okay, so it's a day trade. Okay, so it's the rating is fair. Let's see. Oh, it's expensive. I mean, we can look at here. Let me here first. Let's add it just for purposes of tracking. All right, so trade Amazon options. So the expiration is, I guess it's Friday. Oh, it's a put. I was about to say. Oh, so it's an in the money put. Interesting. Okay, they added it. Okay, so it's gone up about $35 $40 now. Okay, take profits at 585. So yeah, I'll kind of watch that. But yeah, that's the contract. Let's check the charts. Where's Amazon? Yo, so I have it being in a supply zone or demand zone. So yeah, it is in a demand zone. Have there been some liquidity here? Have we made it down to this bottom now? Maybe it makes some sort of move to 184. But honestly, for me to be able to, oh, this isn't the way I trade. So this probably wouldn't be a trade that I took, if I'm being real. But yeah, I think it's going to be cool to watch and see what happens with it. AMZU is an option. No, you don't like that one, but it is. So AMZU, I feel like that's going to be better like a share play, because yeah, I don't know. It's like I was showing that I was up a lot more on AMZU, and then like when it came to actually getting out of the contracts, I had to give like, I don't know, $10 or $15 per contract in order to get out. So it's kind of hard. Okay, you can see what's going on with CVS. Oh, you're asking, can I see what's going on with CVS? CVS is going up. Or I guess short term, let's see. There's no like news or anything. When you look on the 4 hour, CVS is just in the range. I would say resistance is, it's kind of tested as resistance, like kind of that 68.20 level. And it looks like, I would say like support is kind of around the 66.60 level. Oh, I don't like that level, but I don't know. It just looks like it's trading in a range. Man, Apple is still Apple's doing well. Nike's doing well. What else? I was thinking I mean, it has potential. It's like I said, there was resistance. That's that resistance. Wait here, let's see. Yeah, on the 1 hour, it's in the supply zone as well on the 1 hour. Let's see. If you look at the 15 minute, it's up in oversold territory. So if you're going for a day trade or something like that could end up playing out potentially. I'm here for Apple. Have another. You got another call. Yeah, Apple is it's going. It's about to touch its 13 EMA though, so we'll have to see what happens here. But Apple is definitely moving. Looks like the Qs is holding up at its level of support that I drew earlier as well. So that's cool too. Same with the SPY. Nvidia is not though. Nvidia is just like, Nvidia's just trying to fall off a cliff. Okay. All right. SMCI put just out on here. Let's refresh. Let's go. Yeah, we got a fair rating. I think because there's a lot of stuff. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it does say fair. Let's look at it though. Let's add it. So it's a day trade. There was a point when it was putting out fire day trades, but the ratings were also better. Yeah. Let's see. So I want to see how it does. SMCI. So it's a 34 put. What's the expiration? It says day trade, but it says the move would be in about. Oh, the Amazon was a swing trade. I thought it was a day trade. Hold on. Oh, something ain't right. I got the wrong. I'm not sure if their numbers changed. Hold on, let me refresh some things real quick. Cause the Amazon I got was a day trade. It looks different now. This. Hold on. I'm gonna change my Amazon. Let's go to. So yeah, let me get rid of this. Or did I add it to my opportunities? No, I didn't. Okay, so here first I'm gonna get the Amazon first. So it's Amazon swing, the 11th. It is a 177.5 put, and it's a little cheaper now, so that's cool. All right, so I'm gonna save that one so we can actually watch that, and then SMCI. Let's see. Oh wait, hold up. Where we at? So yeah, there's the Amazon SMCI. So the SMCI is a day trade. It is $34 puts for this Friday. And they added it at one. Okay, so that's a good price. Now let's. All right. Yeah, we'll see how that does. So looking at where stop loss shows to be 128, take profit is 196. So we'll keep an eye on that. If the lower EMAs cross the lower ones to the upside, we are literally golden cross on Apple. Let's see. Let me turn on the. Oh wait, hold on. I turned on volume. Here, look. Oh, I gotta add an EMA to that chart. So y'all, this is how I add an indicator, or an EMA, just to those of you that don't know. So looking at this chart right here, I'm gonna click on indicators. I'm already clicked on this one. I am going to go to moving average exponential. There is now a new line. I am going to double click on this blue line. I'm going to adjust it. I usually have mine this color. That's affecting the style. And I'm going to change it to 48. And now the line is like that. So actually, Apple, we just got the cross to the downside on Apple, or at least on the 4-hour. So ideally, this would actually be an entry for a short on Apple. Let me see how much short on Apple goes for. Because Apple is like one of the only ones that's not even oversold. Let me see. I'm just curious if it's not expensive. Nah, yeah, I wouldn't try to. Yeah, I'll just leave that alone. Smash that like button. Do not be a lurker. Yes. Yeah, we got about 41 lurker non-likers here in the chat. Just lurking, not liking. It's crime around these parts. I need to figure out like some way source, some way to get like some good news. I might have to, like, I don't know, go to YouTube, or maybe I'll ask like a chat GPT, like, yo, where do I get the good news for the stocks live? I know you can buy like news wires. I think they're really expensive. Sorry I got in late. Will SoFi go down more? Probably yes, but depending on like what your time frame is, I'm not sure. So, have you, like, say you have weeks or months? Yeah, SoFi's coming down more than likely. But if you're talking about today, no idea. Very, very welcome, Blue Major. What do you think about GLD? I feel like gold is something that is really benefiting from just everything going on in the market right now. Oh wait, hold up. So yeah, it continues to do well. It's showing it's oversold, but I'm not sure technicals really matter on this. Like, there will be a point in time when it comes back down. Like, there will be points in time when I guess you would ideally pick it up. But right now, yo, it's doing well. It's trending. It's good. Oh shoot, we done did it. We done did it, family. 100 likes. Hey, good stuff. It looks like we might be free from Sekai. Hold up, I got a Lucky J. Hold up. What we doing today? You said that. Hey, there we go. There we go. All right, got absolutely cooked today. Yeah, that meta play got me. I'm also like, I'm down on the Google and the AMD, but yeah, what got me most was the meta. Meta is I do not have enough time to ride that trade. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, the trend is down for like everything. But Apple, here, let's see how we're doing today. So PCE is at 0.95. SPY in the red. Apple's in the green. I'm looking for stuff in the green. Apple's in the green. Nike's in the green. Bitcoin is in the green. Interesting. What's up with Bitcoin? Yeah. I don't know what this means, but we got Bitcoin going up, so let's look at the crypto miners. Mara's in the red. Coin, that's in the red too. Let's see. Let's go to like a weekly. I don't know why I'm acting like I'm gonna do something with coin right now. Being honest, I know I'm not gonna do anything with it, but bro, that's wild. It was up at 350 in December. Do you still have that Google 190 call? No, so I I closed that one out. I forgot when. Here, let me see. If it's not too far back, I can find it in the Discord. I don't know. I want to say I don't think it was last week, but I feel like it was the week before last week. But I did sell out of it. I was like, dang, it does not look like we're. Yeah, I don't think it was last week. Was I think we started off kind of bullish, right? Here, let me refresh the Rive. Okay, we just got two. Okay. Derive just threw in. Hold up, yo, Derive just threw in like 50 trades. All right, so let's look at the. That's weird. So there's a call on MSTR, but there's also a put on Mara. And then there's a call on Tesla. Oh, these are. Tesla call is expensive. Oh, these are. Yeah. Wait. MSTR is expensive. Tesla is expensive. Mara's not as bad. But I think all these are fair. Wait, what's this? Okay, so there's a day trade on the SPY. It's a put, but it expires this Friday. Let's see. Let's take a look. Yeah, we'll go and add this one. All right, so there is, let's go. So this one actually has a good rating. Let's see. So SPY. And this one's from Derive, y'all. So it is let's see. Trades by options. April 4th. Says the 539 strike. Oh, hold on. We got to get the puts because that is way too pricey. Okay, 539. And they have it for 235. The delta is 21. And it's showing the take profit zone around like 550. And it looks like the back testing model for like the charting on this is it's like 9 out of 10 times this trade will win. So let's look SPY. Yeah, let's look on it. It's probably a lower time frame kind of deal. Oh, it's probably because it's coming close to resistance. We'll see. We'll see. I don't see like anything specific, but yeah, I got that SPY play at it. Let me let's see. Yeah, I got eyes on it. Let me look at my day trades real quick. Do I want to like play with this? I might play around and go for it. Let's see. SPY. So let's see. Okay. ONDS, Mara movement sucks. Yeah, I don't enjoy the movement on Mara. Yes, appreciate y'all for the likes, family. Bought TSLO calls about 5-10. Hey, good stuff. Meant to buy a put on Tesla earlier. Bought a call. I closed the trade when it was down, then went up. Hey, don't hey, be careful how you talk, even if you're joking, cause you never know. You never know. So I would say, yeah, I would just encourage you to try not to talk like that. But hey, things very well can turn around. But I'm watching this SPY put. I'm watching it. Yes, awesome job on the lights. Yes, family. QQQ is watching or rocking. Watch it gain back all those losses from Friday by the end of the trading session. Yeah, we'll see. I'm trying to see if the SPY goes and hits the stop loss or not. Oh dang, they are loading up the trades right now. Here, let me add this SPY before it goes away. Oh, they got some credit spreads on here on these Yo, the Rive is loading in some credit spreads and debit spreads. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I accidentally hit spreads. My bad. Let's see. All right, yeah, we're pushing up for now. Pushing up. Yeah, we're trying to close the gap. Oh, that's what I was doing. I was trying to check my day trades. Oh, I only have one. I'm not trying to burn a day trade today. But yeah, we went up to the pre-market high. Let's see. Derive says we kind of sell off from here. So yeah, I could see us like pulling back to this 550 and then kind of pushing up from there more. or this EMA, this 550.66 area. Oh, I'm on the 15 minute, but let's watch how it plays out. Let's watch. SPY has a gap to fill. Yeah, it does. It doesn't necessarily have to today, but yeah, it does. So up there at 554. Imagine grabbing a call at 447. Like, remember how we were feeling at the start of the stream? Yeah, imagine like taking that feeling and or imagine if you're just like, yo, we're coming back up. It's like part of me was like that, but also I was like, dang, there have been times when this got worse. All right, let's see. Can you link Robinhood to TradingView? So you can link Webull to TradingView, but I don't think you can Robinhood. I think you can do Thinkorswim, Webull. There are a lot of platforms that you can, but I don't think. Let's see. I forgot how to. There have been times I've seen like. Let's see. Canvas. Let's try trading. Let's see. Buy, sell. Yeah, I don't know exactly, but I don't think Robinhood's on there. But Robinhood keeps trying to improve, so I could see it in the future. Guess the market not ready to take off yet. The market is not Apple. Apple is trying to make it seem like it is. But yeah, even it'd be nice if we could like even get like a return to where we were. That would be nice. Oh, they put a trade on SQQQ, but it's a put. Oh, it's fair though. But yeah, they put an SQQQ trade on out too. So that would be bullet. Okay, I'm like, I don't know. It's like all this is like pushing and pulling in different areas. You got puts on SQQQ, which would technically be bullish, but then you got puts on Nvidia that would be bearish as well. So yeah, it's all over the place. And they're both day trades. Okay, the SPY put is, oh, it jumped down as I was saying it. Got a SPY call when it was 548. Good stuff. Google AI search says no. Yeah, I didn't think they did. I actually get that question a lot. I asked you about daily theta before. My profit was larger than it is now. How is that possible if SPY is further not? SPY is further up. So once again, the theta is going to change over time. So theta is not always going to be the same. So it's going to typically be a higher, like if it's not in the money, it's going to typically be a higher percentage. It's gonna wear off a lot more the closer to expiration, as opposed to here, let's look at this Google call. So let's say right now the theta is 14, but this Google contract expires next week. So what the theta is telling you right now is like if Google stays the same price, exact same price where it is today, this contract is going to lose $14 from today to tomorrow. Tomorrow, if the theta is the same, tomorrow if the stock price is the same, the theta, let's say maybe the theta is at 16. All right. And now let's say there is 1 day to expiration. All right, the theta could be something like 40 or 50. The theta is not going to be the same every day. It's going to kind of adjust and change based off of like how close it is to the money, how much time is left, and it's like it's something that kind of amplifies. It gets a lot worse as your time is gone. Whereas like if we looked at a similar contract, like let's see, if we looked at the same or a similar Google call, here let's look at like the right here. We got a all right here. Let's go for a 150. 150 call on Google. The theta is 33 for this week. We go out a week. Oh wait, hold on. The 150 call on Google theta is 18. So you can already see that as you have more time, the theta decreases. So yeah, now we got 3 weeks. It's 14. Now let's say, okay, we got about a month. Theta is 11. So yeah, it's like the more time you have, like, okay, say, all right, just under a year. Where we at? The theta is actually negative. So right now, this contract is actually, that's interesting. That's interesting. So right now, the theta actually kind of takes away time, but it's like the theta is temporarily paying you. I don't know, that's weird, but usually it'll just be like 0 or something. I don't know, the theta is negative there, but usually the more time you have, the less of an effect theta has. Peace and blessings. What's up, Asar? All right, let's see. Yo, I've had these socks on my desk all this time, and I was meaning to put them on, but I still haven't put them on. There we go. Hey Matt, what affects the price of the contracts? Like, why are they more expensive today than Friday or any other day? So, yeah, going back looking at it, if we take a look, so down here we can see all the factors that are affecting the pricing of the options contract. All right, so of course you got the delta, which is how much it changes per every dollar it moves. Theta is the value of time. It's a little complicated, but the implied volatility, like the higher this is, whereas like it may like something like a Google, it may normally be around like I don't know, I'm just guessing here, but maybe around a 50 or 15, my bad. Whenever you see this implied volatility is high, just know you're paying a lot more. So like say, yeah, if this is normally around 15, 10, 5, anything like that, it's a lot more expensive right here at 35, which is actually kind of helping me a little bit because since there is like greater implied volatility, this contract is holding up a little bit more than it normally would because, implied volatility means that it can go kind of anywhere. Have a blessed day, Mahishu. Here, let's see. So like yeah, looking at it, like when you see like I'm not sure if you can, yeah, you can see it on the side over here. We have the volatility index. It's up 5% today. Any day that you see that's up, anytime you see the VIX is higher, like just over the weekend, it jumped up from like 2170 to starting the day off just below 25. Anytime you see that, you know options are going to be more expensive. All right, so coming down, wait, where is it? Where were we at? Leap calls really help with that. Yeah, that's a little weird. Yeah, I have no idea. Yeah, what's up with that? But might have to. Oh, I'm probably, if I'm being real, I'm probably not going to look into that. I was about to say might have to look into that, but that's cool. Apple is interesting here. So yeah, Apple. This is probably a good point for Apple to pull back. That's kind of what I was saying. There was a point I was thinking about getting a short, but I was like, nah. But yeah, Apple, it could very much pull back here. Do invest in futures trading? Not at the moment. Not at the moment. I'm trying to get a full understanding of it and how it's different from options. I've heard that if you like to swing, yeah, so futures is good because you don't have to worry about theta. Like you still have expirations and whatnot, but yeah, you don't have to worry about theta. So you can like say if the stock moves from here to here, you know exactly how much you will profit as well. So in my eyes, it's better. A lot of people have had futures kind of rolled out to them, and I also know that you can do it if you like message Robinhood, but to my knowledge, they have not rolled it out to me. But I also think because I think the account that I would that would be eligible for it, I don't really have the balance in there right now because I moved it over. So I think they just haven't rolled it out to me because I can't even take advantage of it right now if I did. Hey, no problem, Aragon. Hood possible bull flag on the short term frame. Guess you get the futures question a couple times a week. Oh, my man. Yeah, I get futures a lot too. I get like, oh, why don't you trade futures? No. I get so many questions. It's like, yo, I cannot do it all. Cannot do it all. That's all I. Hey, one day. All right, so Spy. All right, so Spy just they broke the pre-market high. They are the highest that they've been since last week, or they just hit the highest that they've hit since last week. So that Derive put may get stopped out. We'll see. I think the stop loss was, what was it? Yeah, let's see, because this should it be it being stopped out right here. Yeah, just this put just technically hit his stop loss. The Derive put. That's good. We're pushing up though. We're pushing up. No theta might be on my way to futures. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's one thing. That's yeah. Futures, yeah, I feel like it's like futures seems better for sure. You need to kind of pay attention to how you're opening and closing, but other than that, it's like yeah, because I don't know the way you open and on Robinhood, it's I've watched like tutorials on how it is on Robinhood. Like on Robinhood, it's nice, and you can like whenever you close out of something, like you can like you would hit sell. But normally, like on any other broker, if you buy, like, I don't know, buy a contract for upside and then you sell a contract or sell that same contract, you didn't like take profit on the contract. It's more like you have a contract that profits as it goes up, as well as you have a contract that profits as it goes down as well. So you got to be careful on certain platforms trading futures if you don't understand that. But on Robinhood, they kind of still have that like they try to make it simple kind of thing. Why is Walmart up? Why is Walmart up? Is that because when the overall market's yeah, so it's kind of like a flock to safety kind of thing. Like typically like the stronger dividend companies, probably like the Dow companies, some people like to still have their money places, whereas others will just what is it? Others will completely remove their money. Others will still want it to work for them, earn dividends, and put it somewhere where they think it's not going to like lose much value. So often stocks like Walmart, Procter and Gamble, Coca-Cola, things like that that pay dividends and are considered safer will kind of hold up. You know, probably Costco too, stuff like that. What am I looking for SPY to do? Right now, I would look for SPY to fill in this gap from Friday. So looks like SPY is going to come up to 554, and then we'll just have to see from there. But if you're talking about what was the derived play, it was looking for it to like reverse, but that didn't happen. I was kind of uneasy a little bit about like where we were with the reversal. But yeah, it looks good that SPY's closing this gap. The Q's is still nowhere near closing its gap, but it looks good that the SPY is. All right, let's see. Let's go Google. Oh yeah, I'm not even trying to watch it that closely. I know it's still like far away from where I want it, but now it's like, shoot, if it came to like 160, I was like hoping to like, I don't know, ride to like 164, 165, but now like, shoot, 160, that would be amazing. What, I got a 157 strike? Shoot, even where we at? All right, so now only down 45 instead. Hey, it's a lot better than it was. We were down here at what's this, 156? Yeah, we'll take the progress. We'll take it. What stocks are available that invest in gold? One I see people talk about all the time is GLD. I don't really watch gold like that, so I don't think I'm the best source. Do you think SoFi will fill the gap to the upside? Let's see. Let's take a look. 1170. I'm not sure about today. It's like I think it will. I'm not sure about today though. Yeah, so the gap looks like it's going to be from 1174. But yeah, I'm not so sure about that, if I'm being honest. Yeah, Google, hey, very, very far away right now. But definitely would like to see it kind of come up, thrive a little bit. But I'll say it like this. I think tomorrow is going to be a lot better than today. Stock market wise, I think today is going to be a good day. I think it's going to be a great day today, but just looking at the stock market, oh, I don't know. I'm about to ask Chat GPT right now. Let me talk to Chat GPT. Oh wait, I got it on my phone. I don't need to do it on the computer. Let's see. Oh no, I'm gonna talk to Grok. He's right there. So what was it? All right, let's see if Grok can help us out. Thanks for GLG. Just need to diversify more with all that's happening. Adding gold and investments to my portfolio. Hey, typically we want to do that when it's low, but all right, I guess better late than never. Better late than never. All right. All right, there are several great sources for live stock market news and updates depending on what you're looking for. Okay, let's see. Let's check this one out. Yeah, I might have to look at these in my free time. They sent me a long list of places. Euro close. Okay, so Lucky J. Wait. All right, so I'm not sure. Like if I'm being honest, I'm not sure. So I was calling like Euro close at this time, but then we had daylight savings, and Europe was on the same time. So I'm not sure. I remember when I was in Europe. Was I in Europe? Yeah, last year at this time I was in Europe, and I was like, yo, my family had daylight savings before I did. So okay, so they for sure just had it. Okay, all right. I mean, we're kind of. I'm not sure if we're buying up into Euro close or selling off. It looks like we're selling off a little bit. Let me like look for clarity, or let me text one of my friends in Europe like, hey, honestly, I don't even know what time it was when it was closing. Whenever I was out there. Let me see. EU never changed the date like us for daylight saving time. So then wouldn't it be at 11:30? Cuz last week it was at 11:30. Hold on. Let me see. I found a website that's going to clarify this. Okay, that's open. I want to look for the close. Okay. All right, so there are multiple markets. I don't even know which one is the main one. To Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so I guess it would be right now. Maybe. Well, no. Yeah, it says like Paris and Amsterdam would be like right now, but like where I was in Lisbon, it's like it would be an hour from now. I don't know. I don't know. We'll look at it. Amazon looking more bullish. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, there's some buying pressure there. Yeah, I'm liking the buying pressure. That's personally what I want to see right now. Like buy it up. Let me see how that meta is doing. Oh, if I held on to that meta, mm, I think like meta with everything I had like too much on the table, so I was like, yo, let me take a little bit off the table. But I think meta will actually get to a point where I'm like, oh man, I wish I would have just held on, but had to let one go. All right, let's see. See what it does at the EMAs. Let's see. Yeah, we got some ways to go. Yeah, we can turn on the 48 too. I don't know. That's the 200. Yeah, you got some ways to the ways to go for the. Oh wait, hold on. That's the wrong chart. Yeah, you got some ways to go for the EMAs. Hey Matthew, I'm watching block XYZ. I'm thinking swing call if it holds. What? What is block XYZ? I have no idea what you're talking about. M sense. Is that like a ticker symbol? XYZ or oh, okay. Okay. You said the name and the okay. So I mean, first off, it was oversold. Yeah, it looks like it's holding up. So yeah, it looks like this morning move was just liquidity. Like similar to Amazon. Similar honestly, every here, let's go back up to a 4 hour on this buy. I don't know why I'm on that lower time frame. Yeah, honestly, every time frame it looks like that morning move was kind of forming liquidity. It's looking like everything kind of held its. I don't know. Apple's a different story, but everything else I would say kind of held the level that it was supposed to hold, and it just looked like it was liquidity. So looking here, like it's still like this oversold. Time wise, from this demand zone, I would expect or I don't know why I said time wise, but I would look for a move to like 5 or 57, 52. And that would be like my first like larger target from here for that XYZ. I'm watching Amazon as well. I'm thinking it retests at 192 and goes back down. There's a gap at 90. I mean, yeah, that's the way it tests. So yeah, I see a gap up to like 92. But yeah. Welcome to EU time zone issues. It's not fun. Oh yeah, I feel that. I mean, we got like different time zones in America as well. Like very, very well. It's like no, yeah. I honestly I feel like when I was out there, I went to I went there was like one day I was in a solid like 3 countries in one day. I think they were all in the same time zone though. But yeah, I think the whole time I was out there, I went like the main countries I spent time in were like Spain, Hungary, and Portugal. And I think that the most of the time change I experienced was like just an hour. And then I also spent like a week or two in London. Chat GPT says Euro closed at okay. Eastern time. Okay, so I guess it was. Okay, cool. They changed the name for okay. All right, they threw me off. I had no idea they did that. Why did they do that? Yeah, Spy's going to fill that gap in right now. I'm here for it. Yeah, that Google call is looking a lot better. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, well, yeah, it's looking good for now. Yeah, looks like it's go for upside in my eyes. Let's see. 100 plus likes, nice. Hey, appreciate you, Kevin. Hey, the family showing up today. I think it's a team effort to not end up in CCOT. So, it's what we like to do around these parts. What time does crypto close? It does not at all. I don't know if that was a serious question or if it was a joke, but just in case it wasn't, just in case it was a serious question, crypto market does not close, does not stop. True. Meant the stock market timings between the U.S. and EU. Like you move the. Oh yeah, that's Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, that is it's a little bit of a headache. And it's like I when I was in Europe, I didn't necessarily trade Europe either, except for like I did trade like forex for a little bit, but I don't know. It's like honestly, I couldn't fully make sense of it. It's like I was doing better on kind of shorter time frames. Like the 4 hour did not work the same way. It was a little bit of a struggle for me. And then like you had to watch a lot more different news, and it was yeah, it really threw me off. Are you in anything right now? So I'm in a call. I'm in a call on Google. I'm in a call on AMD, but I'm not expecting to get necessarily out of them today. But yeah, I'm in calls right now. I'm just playing the game of patience. Oh, incense. What do you think about Nancy Pelosi? Did she recently? She bought 2025 calls. Wait, call 2025 January alphabet. Is that when she placed the trade in January of this year? That expire 2026? When it comes to what I think about it, I think she knows what she's doing. I think she's going to make some money. But also sometimes I feel like she makes some losing trades on purpose as well, just to try to get people off her case. But nah, we're still on her case. So honestly, I have no idea what to say about that. Nancy P. Leap call. They get insider details and sew an edge on. Nah, yeah, 100%. Like it's extra illegal, but they don't do anything to them, so it is what it is. Speaking of Nancy Pelosi, let's take a look at Tim. Yeah, we still need to see 38 on this one. How far out do you typically put out your options trades for? I would say ideally when I'm being like responsible, usually I go like 2 weeks. Like had I got 2 weeks on that meta, I probably would have been fine and wouldn't have closed it out this morning. But oh yeah, I'm very annoyed looking at meta now. But yeah, usually like 2 weeks. Yeah, hence why they have to make them public. The only thing is like they get like so much time. It's like say Nancy, by the time you see Nancy Pelosi's trades, since they have like 45 days, she might like sit there, ride it, and then by the time you see she bought it and where she bought it at, it's like, oh, she's like, oh well, time to take profits. Or maybe she'll sit there an extra day after people see that she bought it, and then it's like, oh, yeah, let's sell out now. Let's get this bread. Let's get this money. Oh, we got an amazing viewer to like ratio. Wow. Way to go, family. Way to go. All right, let's look at this momentum on the spot. Let's hop to a lower time frame. All right, so yeah, I would say the SPY is just gonna sit and ride this 13 EMA or on the 5 minute. I would say as long as it's doing that, we can keep melting up. But yeah, we got our confirmation above or at least on the shorter time frame above resistance this morning. So yeah, I would say we're looking good. But honestly, at this 554 area, might see some trouble. We'll see. Oh, you said, hey, get those likes up. Oh, Sir Henry, I'm going to let you know if you refresh the page. What I can see right now is I see 123 viewers and 127 likes. So, hey, we did what we got to do. We're doing well. Yeah, I think today is just going to require some patience. I wouldn't be surprised if we get pushed back down. Like at 554, we get pushed back down. Maybe we come back to either 570 or about 552 before coming up. We'll have to see. Oh, you said only 128 likes? I see 131 now. All right, y'all. I see y'all pushing for more. Appreciate y'all, family. Yeah. Way to get the likes there. Yeah, truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I'm not sure if it's normally like this, but I kind of like move my monitor to the side, and now like I got my setup. It's kind of like on the corner of my desk. Now I got all this like extra free desk space over here, and I can see out the window, and it's like I see these birds just keep kind of like dive bombing. I don't know if they're going for like bugs or something. But yeah, they keep like getting my attention. let me refresh. Derive AI. Let's see. How we doing? There are a lot of interesting trades on Derive AI today. I like when it's like slower. I do see a lot of puts though, but like also I see a lot of trades that are interesting. I see a superb trade, but with a low target probability. Oh, I can see why that happens. I can see why. All right, so SPY is pretty close to filling the gap. That gap's almost filled, or at least on the 10-minute. It might have filled it on the 4-hour. Yeah, on the 4-hour, the gap is filled. The gap has been filled. So, yo, 547 to 553. Wow. Let's see if we can get back to 560. That'll be nice. But yeah, bottom wise, candle wise, here we'll watch this 4-hour candle. But if this is how if the 4-hour candle closes anything looking like this on the SPY or the Qs, that's good. That means we're 9 times out of 10 we're taking profit on Google. We're taking profit on the AMD, and yeah, calls can be like moved on. But yeah, this candle right here looks good. So we gotta see how this candle closes. Apple is pushing. Yeah, Apple is pushing. It's trying. Yeah, hopefully everything takes part in the upward movement. Dang, I'm really. Hey, they're really getting me with the Meta. Meta is the one that got away today, but it is what it is. Honestly, it's just part of the game. Think I had too much in, or not on the Meta specifically, but I was like, yo, let me have some. What are the AMD calls? I missed it. So I think here, let me see. So if I'm being honest, so AMD is probably going to take some time, but here, let's see. So the AMD are, I got AMD 107 calls that expire on the 17th. Oh, look at the SPY. Look at Apple. Apple's kind of the trendsetter of the day. Hey, family, I'm seeing like 70% said red today. Hey, is it possible we close in the green on? It's possible. It's very well possible because we're like $1.76 away from being break even on the day. What's a good call for SoFi? Whatever the budget allows, but you also want to make sure you take a look at the delta and make sure it's proper. So yeah, it just depends on whatever your budget is, honestly. I usually get the best thing my budget will allow for whatever I'm looking for. But there are probably a bunch of good call options for SoFi if that's what you're looking for. I usually try to get as close to the money as I can though. 160, here we come. I'm trimming at 160. Oh, you're on SoFi? Not SoFi. On Google. Yeah, if we run there, honestly, after this ride, I might be cool with just how many contracts do I have with Google? Oh, I got 2. I'm down 37% now. options are wild. Am I in a SoFi call currently? No, I have no dealings with SoFi except for shares. The only reason I keep talking about SoFi is people keep asking about SoFi, but no, I don't love trading SoFi options. I just have the shares. Apple is at 48 and 200 EMAs right now on a short time frame. Hey, let's see if it can get above the 200. Above the 200, that's good. That's really good. But yeah, it looks like based off the 4 hour, not so much on Apple, but on other stuff. I mean, we can like push down more, but because I'll usually like to see like a double or triple dip being oversold, but from here sometimes you either ride it like to 50 on the RSI or ride it to being oversold depending on how things go. Paulisa, I have a 107 call on AMD that expires on the 14th or on the 17th, I believe. The AMD is probably going to take longer to play out, just for the record. Probably be about a week on that. That's the expectation, at least. All right, so we just need these candles to hold up for me to feel like I can go down, move some weights, and I got like a meeting at like 1:30. I feel like I need a nap though. I woke up early today. I didn't sleep that much. Or didn't sleep that long. I slept, but definitely could use some more. I took a 112 for 411. Well, let's hope it moves. Let's hope we get a move on. So hopefully with Google we don't have to like ride through the whole week. But just know with both of them, it's very well a possibility that, I mean, we get the whole tariff situation on Wednesday. So we'll have to sit through, see what's up with that, as well as, what is it? We get like a lot of inflation reports, and then we also have, I believe, Jerome Powell speaking on Friday. So yeah. And I'm not like, I would say it's super speculation, but I feel like I heard somewhere somebody talking about like something like an emergency rate cut. And if that were to, honestly, I don't even know. I don't think I've ever experienced that in my time watching the stock market. Wait, actually, hold on. Let me see. Maybe we did when I was new. Let me see when the last time we got an emergency rate cut was. I think it's trying to say it was in 2008. So if that's true, yeah, I have not experienced that. I've been around, but also in 2008, things were not hot, so that's not a good look. Oh, okay, Carlos. Hope they do well, or I hope they are doing well. I feel like you grabbed them at a lower point. Like I feel like you grabbed. I mean, AMD's not really moving. Google has moved up a little bit. I feel like you should be up on Google, but yeah, AMD's not really moving much right now. All right. Okay, the can Oh, okay. All right, the candle is closed. Okay, so SPY's looking solid. The Q's looking solid. We might push down from here, but I would say we're doing all right. And let's look at this XYZ real quick. Oh yeah, it's green or blue. So I would say yeah, everything's looking good. We're gonna close out here, call it a day. I want to take this time to say, hey, thank y'all for riding through with me, family. History was made today. Yeah, we broke that 13 on Apple. Maybe we broke the 200 too. Yeah, Apple's that first candle's very bullish. I thought it was gonna like pull back, but no, that like the candle alone, even without the EMA, that's looking very good. But yeah, thanks for stopping through, family. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for being here. Hey, happy to see we got the likes where we need to get it. Hey, we are free from the depths of CCOT. Jordan made 60% on the Google call. Good stuff. Thank you, Julie. Hey, you have a good day too as well, Yoko. Yo, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Achuhu. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Peace out, Jordan. Peace out, Julie. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, C Smooth. Peace out, D Scurv. I think I already said that, but peace out, LMAO. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Timothy. Peace out, My Life Be Like. Peace out, Derek. Hey, and glad to hear it, Carlos. All right, y'all. Oh, yeah, peace out, Frank. Peace out, Frank. Yo. All right, yeah, I'm about to go move some weight and try to, I'm going to try to lift the stock market up. But yeah, that's going to do it for the day, family. Hope you have a blessed day. Peace out, Christopher. Peace.